Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I have my sidekick back here.
Sidekick Erin.
She was holding that in.
I was holding it in.
Okay, listen, we are having a room painted upstairs and the sound.
There's a tornado. Tornado
the
flew
sounds.
around my room. That's what's going on right now.
A potato flew around my room.
I'm about to kick her out and
Kick her out.
everybody else. So if you hear loud bangs,
Just ignore it.
just pretend you don't. Also, I'll link this ponytail down below. I did a cute hairstyle today, so I figured I would address it.
Oh,
It's cute.
look at that.
It's cute.
It's cute.
So today's video is going to be Etsy mystery boxes that me and Erin bought.
I'm very excited for this. I don't even know what's in it.
It's a mystery.
Mine is a
Visco Girl.
Visco Girl. So
I'm so excited for Erin's too. So mine is like a spa one. They have like all kinds of different ones. They didn't have very many
Ooh.
pricey ones, but mine was $150. I can't remember what yours was, but I'll put it on the screen.
A potato flew around.
So we're going to be unboxing these today. We have no idea what's inside, and this one Ty did open because he thought it was something that that's why I had to retape it, because he thought it was something that I had ordered.
No.
But I was like, dude, I think you opened the mystery box. So he taped it back. But yeah, with that being said, I'm really
Thankfully, we
excited.
didn't see it.
By the way,
I'm really excited.
Yeah, she for sure saw nothing. And also, someone tweeted me and told me to do this video, and that's what gave me the idea to do it. So shout out to you guys for always having your girls back and hooking me up with a great
Helping
idea.
us out.
Helping us out. So with that being said,
Shut. So that being shut.
come here. So with that being said, be sure and subscribe before you leave, and let's jump right in. We're doing yours first for sure, because I know you're so excited. Here we go.
Hey, don't you dare open it. This is my moment. My moment. All right.
Ooh.
This box was very light, so I have no clue what could possibly be in it.
Okay.
All right, so first we have to bring up a water bottle.
I think it's cute.
Laura is probably tired of the water bottles in the house since we have so many. But guess what?
Let
we
me
can
tell
add
you-
this to the collection.
Let me
Purple's
tell you-
my favorite color too.
Well, let me tell you why these get on my nerves, because they like to use them and then they just set them in the sink. Girl, I'm not the maid. Clean your water bottle. Clean your water bottle.
I don't do that.
I put it right back in the cabinet so they can just keep using a dirty one until they clean it themselves.
I don't do that.
She does.
I don't. Not with mine, because I keep
Yeah, you-
drinking mine
Yeah,
over
you
and
do.
over and over
Yeah,
again.
You do.
Read this!
Okay. Dear Erin, it says Dear Tyler, because
I put it underneath his
Yeah.
name.
thanks for supporting my small business. Your order made my day. Tag us in any Instagram pics. Ooh.
That's honestly sweet. So now we got this wrapped up. I think it's a shirt.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
It's a biscuit. Ooh, this is so cute.
This is like,
No.
this is a night shirt. It's a night shirt for me.
Well,
Look
I
how
think it's
cute.
really cute. It's very Visco girly.
Yes, with your like Nike shorts. Oh yes, Visco Girl vibes. I think this is the last
Oh my
thing
gosh,
in
this
here.
was quick. Okay, let's see.
Sorry. Oh! What is this? There's a bunch of stuff in here.
Oh, girl, it's real cute. Wait, show them.
I ripped it really bad, but oh my god, this green scrunchie. Oh, look how cute it is. I love this.
She's a Visco girl today.
Laura, oh, chapstick. What is this? This is a little bath bomb. You got a little bracelet. They say.
Oh my god!
Oh look! You know what?
Look, she hand did all of the cushion. All right, that's it.
Guys, honestly, this is the best thing ever. I get to live my Visco Girl dreams with this. Why is this the cutest thing ever? Are there stickers in here?
Oh gosh,
There's
she's a sticker fanatic. This is really, really cute.
Yeah, Visco Girl stickers. You got your like a little penny board. Is that what that thing's called?
Yeah,
And then you got baby. And then you got your tie-dye scrunchie.
she also got a chapstick and a Jolly Rancher in this cute little green bag.
This was the cutest thing ever.
My Real Skin face mask in cucumber, so a cute little mask.
You want to wear a bracelet? Which one do you want to wear?
I kind of want this one. It says surf on it.
I'm wearing the...
Can you guys see? I'm going to zoom in so they can see these.
Tell me why this was the cutest thing ever. So, of course, I'm wearing the purple one that says... Baby, get that hand back here.
I can't. You do it. You do it.
This green one, and it says...
Alright, you know. Screw it.
Okay, there's a green bracelet that says love, there's a blue one that says surf, and there's a purple one that says
You got a bath bomb.
This is the cutest little bath bomb ever.
Scrunchies.
Do you think something could be in it?
It's cute. She did the water bottle, the colorful tea, and the scrunchie for your wrist.
I'm gonna put my Visco Girl stickers on my water bottle, shouldn't I?
Oh my gosh, yes, that's a really cute idea.
Yeah! Yeah!
Let me see. Ooh!
Got your little penny board. Let's see. Oh, this one's my favorite. It's pink and blue. I can't say anything.
Pink and purple.
Pink and purple. And it says...
Wow. Aaron, if I ever wanted to get you a gift, I'm just gonna get...
Honestly, this is what you should get. These are just so much fun to open.
Yeah.
And there's just so many options of like things that you might like, things that you might not like.
The element of surprise.
This green scrunchie though?
The color of that scrunchie is real cute.
Alright, baby. Show yours.
Alright, guys. So I got a spa box that we're gonna open. Scissors!
Scissors!
Eyebrow scissors!
Eyebrow. Oh my god, is this mess?
Alright, time to open my box.
Uh-oh.
I had to get a new memory card, guys. Ours is full.
A lot of things are just happening.
Hold on.
This video.
The freaking noise upstairs, if you guys can hear that, y'all are going to scream in this video because... Okay, first...
Oh my god, look at the wrapping.
Okay, so first off, it has pink tissue paper inside.
Oh.
Looks really cute.
Oh.
Something's falling out right here. Your favorite?
Our favorite.
It is our favorite. It's our favorite. We
this
love.
This is the most refreshing spray ever.
Do not put it on top of your makeup because it can definitely make it look greasy. Because this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. It's hydrating, leaves you with glowing radiance. I love this stuff after I do my skincare routine.
Did you just hear how fast that came out of her mouth? Girl, she be like wrapping it.
This is a good one. So far, this box is a winner.
It's popping.
I feel something right here.
I want to open.
How about it?
We want to open.
Ooh, there's so much stuff in here.
Oh, you got a huge mystery box. What is this? What?
I should
Oh
try to show
my
you guys. What?
Look at this.
Oh my god.
Should I open it?
Yeah,
What is this? A cleansing balm? Makeup melting and...
It's my Glow Recipe.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
Is that supposed to take off your makeup?
It's the Glow Recipe Papaya Cleansing Melting Balm. So yeah, it's used to take off your makeup.
That's actually really nice. This box, I think, is a win.
Dude, this box has so much stuff
We
in
haven't
it.
even gone through it. Oh,
Purple loofah.
I think they're trying to say we stink. We got babe.
I don't think so.
We got babe.
This looks really intriguing to me. These are the watermelon cleansing wipes from Clear and Clear. Open them up and let's give them a little sniff.
Laura loves sniffing.
This box is great. I'm pretty excited to show you guys everything in it.
Right away. It
No.
smells so good.
Oh my gosh, it smells
Why does
like
it smell like candy?
Watermelon Laffy Taffy.
That's what I was thinking.
It smells just like that.
Oh my god. What is this?
This is by Sonia Kashuk.
What is that?
This is the, I actually don't know, let's read. Micro needling roller. So that is supposed to help with skin texture and stuff like that. It like pokes little tiny
I'm opening
holes. Yeah, go ahead.
Poking holes?
You'll see.
Baby, what did they give us?
Look, stop. No, you're not doing it to my face, ma'am. Yeah.
It's sharp.
You will see it. Okay, the camera. It does hurt. It actually hurts. Let me do it like
No.
Stop. It kind of hurts.
It kind of tickles more than anything.
Oh, I love
Laura
it.
said I couldn't do it to her skin, but she's doing.
Well, yeah, I can do it to my skin. I don't trust her to do it to my skin.
She ain't got no.
Give it a go. Let's spread our bacteria on each other.
Yummy. I love your bacteria.
Yes. Okay, I also got a brightening tightening mask from Verse. I love Verse skincare. This is sold at Target, by the way. And yeah, they have good stuff. It says 12 applications in there.
No way.
Yeah, it says it.
This is such a cute little pack. Oh, you know what it reminds me of? The applesauce.
Oh, it does. Applesauce.
I love that.
Look, this is the Sonia Kashuk lip exfoliator. That looks really cool.
Let me exfoliate my lips.
We also got a nail file. It says, be a flamingo in a flock of pigeons.
Girl said, get rid of your crusty nip.
Aaron said pigeon.
When did I say pigeon?
Ooh, hold on, it's 2.
Oh.
Really cute.
I want a pigeon.
I will sit here all day and do this.
Yeah, she's a psycho for filing her nails. She loves it.
I do. I love doing it. Golly, 3 years later.
Am I doing it right?
What do you think?
I don't think anything. It's just like a
I have
rough,
so much lipstick.
Yeah, it's just like a rough texture going through my on my
Do you feel like it's softening your lips at all? Look at us pampering ourselves with our
we're not even doing the video anymore. We're just pampering ourselves.
Well, okay, I want you to try this. This is called Calm Lip Balm from e.l.f. Wait, try this. It came in the box.
Girl, she want me trying out everything in case.
That's, it doesn't work out. I need to know.
I see how you feel.
Give this a go.
It's
just a lip balm. Ew, ew, ew. No. No.
I had to wipe it off. All right.
Try that. Tell me. It's from e.l.f.
Oh.
Hemp-derived cannabis sativa seed oil conditioning lip balm. Do you feel conditioned? It looks really pretty.
Mm-hmm.
I really like that. Soft. Okay, next we have the Maui. You don't even know what it is.
I see a purple color and it looks beautiful.
It does look really pretty.
Let me sniff.
Why won't... Oh, it's in focus. Look at that.
Let me sniff it.
Extra hydrating shea butter body wash.
Oh, it's a
for severely dry skin. Ooh. It smells really delish. I like the color.
Oh, I'm taking this.
Sorry I keep looking at myself in the viewfinder, guys. It's because I like to look at myself.
She loves staring at herself all day, every day.
Guys, it's hard to get us focused when it's both of us, so if we seem a little blurry, we're working on that. Sorry about that, but that's what I'm trying to see if we're in focus.
That's why we keep staring at the viewfinder. I swear we don't love looking at ourselves. This smells amazing.
Yeah, it does. It smells really good.
I'm about to be smelling good.
You know what even smells better than that? The coconut water mimosa flower bath bombs. Smell them. You can smell them.
I have bath bombs.
Yes, bath bomb, baby.
Oh, this is like, ooh.
It smells really clean.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
I'm still going. We got an e.l.f. sponge, and I love this sponge from e.l.f. If you guys haven't tried it, check it out. It's
I don't use sponges, but I like the teardrop.
It is nice. Okay, then we got 3 more things. The next thing we got, Aaron, give me your foot. I'm just kidding. It's a foot mask.
What?
Yes.
Have a good day.
Have a good day foot mask with hyaluronic acid. I think it's supposed to make your feet super, super soft.
Should we try it out?
You try it out.
Let's each of us put it on one foot.
Okay. Come on, give me your foot.
Oh, right now?
Yeah, you said it.
All right.
Oh, wow. Look at them. Hold on. Hold on. Look, you rip it. So now it has the stuff in here.
Why did I think it was going to be fitted?
Guys, it's all gooey in there.
Ew, I don't want to put it on my foot.
Just put it on. Just do it anyway. Ew. So gross. At least we'll have one soft foot after this. Let me see your foot. Show them thy leg. We're gonna have one soft foot. Just keep it in there. It needs to stay. Aaron,
I'm about to swallow this Jolly Rancher and choke to death. What is this?
I don't know. These are hilarious. What if you just walked around the house?
Imagine if I fell down the stairs.
Okay, guys, wait. There's 2 more things in this box before we finish.
There you go.
I know, this box was like,
what?
Could have been better than yours. Well.
Not the Visco.
Okay.
Mine had a shirt.
Okay, this is the LauraLee Breathable Treatment and Color Nail Polish, and I got 2 shades.
Ooh, we got this hot pink.
Ooh, we got this pretty nude shade. I'm about to paint my nails. This is called, what's that word?
Manuka.
Manuka me crazy.
Manuka me crazy. What is this? Superfood.
That one's called Superfood? That's so random. These colors are real cute.
I like this pink. It reminds me of a Mimi.
Aww.
It does.
Alright guys, so that is it for this video.
Which box do you think is better?
Mine was $150. I'll put the price of her box over here. You tell us if you think it was worth the price.
Tell us.
That's it for this video, guys. We love you guys, and we'll see you all in our next video.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Girl, let me walk around with just this one sock.
Girl got an avocado foot.
Avocado.